Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about how to use performance marketing to grow your business. Okay, so before we get started, let's talk about who this is actually for, right? Because when you hear performance marketing, it's kind of like a general term. And I know a lot of my channel has to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, but when I speak of performance marketing, I'm talking about the whole digital marketing in general, right? Like I'm talking about specifically paid traffic. Performance marketing usually refers to paid traffic, like, native, Google AdWords, Google Display, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, right? And if, who this is actually for would be, coaches, right? It would be for affiliate marketers, you know what I mean? It could be for consultants, right? It could be for experts. Like let's say you're an expert in your field, right? That kind of goes and falls in between coaches and consultants where you're an expert in your field of work, but you don't know how to, get more clients or like, if you're a business owner, you don't know how to get more products, and services to sell more. You don't know how to get more customers, more sales for your business, right? You're basically struggling to get more clients and customers or sales for your business, right? No matter what you are, okay? And you don't know how to use the digital marketing space to grow and scale your business. Okay, if you're one of these types of people that I mentioned above, you are completely missing the boat here when it comes to growing your business. This is a fact, guys, okay? Now, some of my background that you guys don't know, which I'm going to tell you, is I started I started becoming a media buyer for different companies, right? And I was basically doing a lot of native buys, native ads, a lot of Google AdWords, Google Display, and a lot of Facebook, a lot of YouTube, right? I was kind of like the one all be all type of guy for these companies because a lot of the other buyers, they didn't know how to do that stuff, and I did. So I had a budget of like $1 million a month for each and every single one of these traffic sources. And one thing I will tell you is that every single company that I've ever worked for in the past, this is a fact, okay? Paid advertising has almost completely taken out the traditional marketing methods such as radio, television, billboards, etc. Okay, let's say a company had, a budget of, I don't know, $100,000 a month for just advertising, right? Well, usually they would have like a traditional side, which is going to be like radio, TV, billboard, etc. And then they have the digital side, like Facebook, Google, etc. Right? Well, the amount of customers and sales and phone calls that they would get from traditional has significantly dropped, and most of their budget is transferring from traditional marketing to digital marketing. Now, this may seem obvious to some of you guys, but to a lot of you guys that are out there, maybe you guys are business owners, and you guys just don't understand that traditional marketing just doesn't work anymore. Word of mouth doesn't work anymore. That's why you have to use performance marketing, digital marketing, to be able to scale and grow your business, get more clients, get more customers, and make more sales for your business. Performance marketing is the way to go, guys, okay? Now, going on social media, cold calling, emailing, going on Facebook, Instagram, etc., to try and build your clientele or promote your products and services is so time consuming. There will never be enough hours in the day to get you where you want. The best thing to do is to start running ads to your customer. Okay? Develop a plan of action, a strategy. Think, who is my customer? What are their interests? What are they searching for in Google to buy my products and services? Right? The best thing about performance marketing is that every ad dollar brings you significant data about your business. Use this data to better enhance the success of your campaigns through optimization and split testing. Each individual business is different, whether you're a coach, consultant, fitness trainer, an expert in your niche, etc. There needs to be a set strategy. One of the best ways is to develop an online sales funnel if you're an expert or a coach, right? So now that we're talking about running paid ads, like we know that we need to do that because traditional marketing doesn't work anymore. Whatever type of business that we have, if we're a coach, we're an affiliate, we're whatever we are, business owner, doesn't matter. We need to be able to create that plan of action, figure out who our customer, our client is, right? And then develop an online sales funnel. Now, running paid ads is going to be the most important part. You got to learn how to use these traffic sources, but then also learn how to use sales funnels. Okay, luckily you guys are at my channel, and this is what my channel is about. It's about paid advertising. It's about sales funnels. It's about, growing and scaling your business, right? And especially if you're a brand new guy, I like to focus on the brand new guys is because I was once there where you guys are, and I know what it's like to be like, okay, I don't know anything about Google. I don't know anything about native. I don't know anything about Facebook. I don't know anything about sales funnels. Where do I go for that information? Well, you guys are in luck. You guys have found the place for that. Okay. I cannot stress enough that if you are using old marketing techniques to grow your business, it's only a matter of time before you get crushed by your competitors. You need to adapt and change. Okay. The good news is that if you do it and you do it correctly, you will 10x the growth of your specific business. Okay. So back to the online sales funnels. If you guys don't know how to make sales funnels, I actually have a free training, in my YouTube channel. You guys will get all of that information. If you guys don't know how to use sales funnels, just go ahead and get ClickFunnels. There's a link in the description below where you guys can get a free, I think it's like a 14-day free trial. After that, it does go to $99 a month, but that $99 a month runs your entire business. You're able to basically build your email list, create these beautiful sales funnels that you would have to hire like a $1,000, web developer to create these things for you. You guys can do that all for just $99 a month once you guys actually get it. Okay. It's very important that you guys do learn how to use, native, learn how to use Google, learn how to use Facebook, YouTube. You guys need to have these, these traffic sources in your toolbox, because once it comes time to actually try to get more clients, get more sales, scale your affiliate business, whatever it is that you guys are doing, these traffic sources are the way to go. Okay. If you want to learn how to use performance marketing to grow your business, I've created a full REVCONTENT mastery course that will teach you the fundamentals of optimization, split testing, and scaling. Now, just to pause right there, this affiliate course, it's more for affiliate marketers that are just, that don't have a product, don't have anything at all, which is great, especially if you knew this is great, right? But it's also for the coaches, consultants, experts, and business owners, because I teach you guys the fundamentals of optimization, split testing, and scaling. It's basically tied to everything. This whole digital marketing, performance marketing, it's all tied in together. Whether you're promoting a product you don't have or promoting a product that you do have, whether it's your knowledge, whether it's your expertise, whether it's your products and services that you guys have. Okay. Now, just for right now, I've also bundled my Google AdWords, my Google Display, my YouTube ads, and Facebook ads courses in there for free. It's basically 5 courses for the price of 1. Okay, now, again, back to me doing this for the beginners, because again, guys, I was just like you. I just started. I didn't know anything. I started creating, again, my background is CPA marketing, right? And I did that because of all the media buyer jobs that I've had in the past, right? I've spent millions of dollars on ads, I in Mad Society, Stack That Money, a lot of guys would just ask me for information. And I just decided to put all my knowledge and expertise into courses so that the people that actually take action get results. Stop holding your back against the wall. Stop thinking it's not possible. It is possible. You just have to find the right people to learn from, and then take their advice and then make it better, right? You're going to have a journey. There's going to be roadblocks. I'm not going to tell you, it's going to be, very easy from the start. No, but if you follow somebody, if you guys follow me, follow my advice, you guys will get there. And of course, ask me anything you guys want. Also, I do, if you guys wanted to, I could actually guide you step by step. I do have like a coaching program for that, where I can, coach you guys to get you guys where you want to be. Develop plan of action, develop strategy, basically everything you guys need. Okay. There's no reason why you guys are going to fail. It's 2019, guys. It's not easy, but the internet has made it a lot simpler for you guys to get the information to where you want to be, especially with guys like me, just putting all our knowledge into courses so you guys can absorb, take action, and get results. Okay, guys. Once again, guys, this is Branden Sanchez. If you're new, I know my channel is small right now, but this thing's going to blow up because of all the value I give to you. I see a lot of other guys on YouTube, really, really trying to help out, but then a lot of guys are just salesy. Like, I actually want to help you guys out. There's a few other guys that I have learned from, and to this day, I thank them to this day, because, once you change someone else's life, that's really what it comes down to. Money's great, but really impacting other people's lives is where the real value is at, okay, guys? So everything that I mentioned in this video, everything is in the link in the description below. Go ahead and grab everything that you guys need. Contact me if you need a little bit more one-on-one coaching, and I will get you guys there, okay, guys? This is Branden Sanchez. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting. I'm trying to do daily uploads, but, you know, I just don't have the times all the time, but I will be at least doing once every other day. So expect like 3 to 4 videos a week from me so you guys can get that. You guys can get to the next level, okay, guys? I will see you on the next video.